Good morning everyone. I hope you all are good. Students, we are doing Unit 5 of GK. So Unit 5 name is Exploring Science. We have done chapter 14 and 15. Today we are going to start with the chapter 16. Chapter 16 name is Science Quiz. Okay, these all questions are based on science, some facts. So fill in the blanks using the help box. Help box is given to you. Okay, with the help of this box, you have to fill the correct answer. So let us start with the first. Malaria is caused by the bite of a dash. So malaria is caused by the bite of a dash. So we all know malaria is caused by the bite of mosquito. So your correct answer will be mosquito and will be small mosquito. Okay, so spelling also learn. MOSQUITO. Okay. Second is the earth rotates from dash to east. Earth rotates from dash to east. So earth rotation is from west to east, not east to west. It is from west to east. So earth rotates from west to east. So we will write answer west. Okay. Third is dash, liquid and gas are the three states of matter. Dash, liquid and gas are the three states of matter. States of matter you have learned in science. Okay. Three states of matter: liquid, solid and gas. So here it is given liquid and gas, so we will write solid. Solid, liquid and gas are the three states of matter. So answer will be solid. Next, the dash is the control center of the body. Okay, the dash is the control center of the body. Our body is controlled by the brain. So answer will be brain. Brain. Brain is the control center of the body. Next, the longest key on the computer keyboard is called the dash. The longest key on the computer keyboard is called the dash. So longest key on the keyboard is known as space bar. So answer will be space bar. Next, a person who travels into space is called as astronaut. So astronaut spelling also you have to learn. ASTRONAUT. Astronaut. Okay, ASTRONAUT. Astronaut. Clear? Next is the dash is the third planet from the sun. Dash is the third planet from the sun. So that is Earth. Earth is, so E will be capital because Earth is a name of planet. So E will be capital. The Earth is the third planet from the sun. Clear? Now next is the movement of Earth around its sun is called the movement of Earth around the sun. This is sun. Earth is moving around the sun. So that movement is known as rotation or revolution. Tell me what will be answer? The movement of the Earth around the sun is called revolution, not rotation. Okay. Revolution. Now next is dash is an instrument used for measuring earthquakes. Dash is an instrument used for measuring earthquakes. So that is seismograph. Answer is seismograph. So this spelling also you have to learn. Seismo. S-E-I-S. Seismo. 10th part is quinine is obtained from the bark of a dash tree. Quinine. Okay, quinine is a medicine tablet. Quinine is obtained from the bark of a dash tree. So that will be which tree? Which tree? Cinchona. Okay, cinchona tree. So spelling will be CINCHONA. So this page you will do in your book. Complete all these 3 pages, 16, 17 and 18. Very soon I am going to take test of these pages. Okay, I hope it is clear. Have a good day to all.